Hydraulic quick-release couplers are wide in demand in all type of industrial demands as they give instant connection, disconnection when required with hardly any leakage or wastage. Pictures show various type of coupling, so you can choose right coupler according to pressure, temperature, size, and media. Techno Industrial Products offers ISO A couplers from 1/4 inch to 2-inch BSP. These are the most common couplers and used all over the world. Picture shows working of the coupling. These couplers are widely used in general lifting machines like Escorts, JCS, etc., industrial hydraulic machines, domestic small lifters, domestic farming trucks, and much more you can think. These couplers have double check valve, so fluid does not come out when couplers are disconnected. And to connect it, just push the sleeve and couplers are ready to serve you. All the couplers are randomly tested to the pressure they can take, which is also shown in chart for your convenience.